Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best ductless dryer vent is probably one of the most innovative solutions for modern homes. If you're struggling with dryer venting options, especially in spaces where traditional ducting is a no-go, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ductless dryer vents, exploring their benefits, and helping you decide if this is the perfect solution for your laundry needs. Number 5. BetterVent Indoor Dryer Vent by ADR Products. Introducing the BetterVent Indoor Dryer Vent. It's designed for electric dryers and offers a clean, efficient solution. This system eliminates the need for water, keeping your space tidy. This kit captures lint, dust, and pet hair with its double filter system. The stainless steel pre-filter and polyester filter ensure a healthy indoor environment. It's perfect for both renters and homeowners. The BetterVent is sustainably made in the USA. It's built to last, saving you energy, time, and money. This high-quality kit is a long-lasting investment. The patented double filter system requires no water, avoiding messy cleanups. It helps dry clothes faster and saves energy by returning warm air into the room. Plus, it has a safety feature. The patent-pending safety vent flap prevents overheating. It opens automatically when airflow is restricted, alerting you to change the filter. If the dryer takes longer, it's time for maintenance. The kit includes everything needed for quick installation, except the transition duct hose. It comes with instructions, mounting hardware, calibration weights, and filters. The filters are easily vacuumed for extended use. What we like? This product boasts a double filter system, ensuring a cleaner indoor environment. It also eliminates the need for messy water, making maintenance a breeze. Furthermore, it includes a safety alert feature to prevent overheating. If you're looking for a hassle-free, energy-efficient solution with added safety, you should consider this. What people say. It was quick and super easy to install, and I did it myself. It really does the job too. No more dust everywhere, no more fear of lint fire hazard, and no more paying someone to clean the ducts. Number 4. Deflecto LTF Indoor Dryer Vent Kit, White Silver. This kit is designed for venting electric clothes dryers indoors when outdoor venting isn't possible. It's perfect for apartments, condos, RVs, and basements. Please note, it is not compatible with gas dryers. The complete kit includes a durable plastic lint trap reservoir, a fire-resistant Superflex flexible metallic duct, and secure plastic clamps. This ensures a reliable and hassle-free setup for you. The lint trap reservoir effectively captures escaping lint, reducing fire hazards. It also improves dryer performance by minimizing drying time. Remember to add 1 inch of water for it to function properly. This design redirects warm air back into the room, helping to lower heating costs during colder months. It's a perfect venting option for your electric dryer, saving you money. Weighing just 1.26 pounds, the kit is space-efficient and built to improve your dryer's overall performance with minimal effort. It measures 6.375 h x 11 w x 5 d inches, making it a great fit. What we like? This kit redirects warm air back into your room, helping you save on heating costs. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for small spaces. If you are living in an apartment or RV and want an easy-to-install, energy-efficient solution, you should consider this. What people say. Product is amazing. I thought I needed a new dryer, but dryer works perfectly with dryer box. Worked great. When this lint trap vent is being used, it humidifies the dry air inside the house. Number 3. FUNMAS 3-in-1 Indoor Dryer Vent. This innovative dryer vent features a 3-stage filtration system. It includes a stainless steel screen, a polyester filter, and a water drawer. This design effectively captures lint, dust, and pet hair, ensuring a cleaner indoor environment. Cleaning is a breeze with this vent. Simply press to open the door and remove the lint. The stainless steel screen is reusable, and the polyester filter can be easily vacuumed or replaced. It also comes with 4 polyester filters. The upward design prevents debris from entering the air duct. It also recirculates warm air back into the room, which helps save energy during the winter months. A safety vent flap prevents overheating by opening if the filter is blocked. It also includes calibration weights for different dryer power levels. This feature alerts you when it's time to clean the vent. For optimal performance, clean the filter and water drawer regularly, ideally every few loads. It's recommended to use an aluminum duct for connection. Remember to open a window or use a dehumidifier to manage humidity. What we like. This product features a 3-in-1 design with a stainless steel screen, polyester filter, and water drawer system, offering comprehensive lint capture. Cleaning is also made easy with its user-friendly design. Moreover, it includes a safety vent flap to prevent overheating. If you like a versatile and easy-to-maintain dryer vent, you should consider this. What people say. Works very well. Was able to turn off electric heater in laundry room. Easy to put on wall and attach vent hose. This is a good quality unit. The filter works very well also. This indoor dryer vent works great and is easy to maintain. This product was easy to install and was able to avoid unnecessary damage to the room. Number 2. VIWINVELA 3-in-1 Indoor Dryer Vent Kit. Tired of outdoor dryer vents? This kit is perfect for apartments, condos, and RVs. It provides a safe and convenient indoor venting solution. The kit features a 3-layer filtration system. It includes a water filter, an iron mesh filter, and a high-temperature resistant lint filter. This ensures clean air. Choose the kit that best fits your needs. Various options are available, including different colors and hose lengths. You can find the perfect fit for your space. Installation is quick and easy. While connecting the hose, it might require a little effort for a secure fit. This design ensures a stronger connection. This dryer vent filter is designed for reuse. It's detachable and can be easily cleaned. This makes it a sustainable and practical choice. What we like. This product offers a 3-layer filtration system for superior lint trapping. It's also quick and easy to install, saving you time and effort. Furthermore, it's detachable and reusable after cleaning, making it a sustainable choice. If you are looking for a simple and effective solution, you should consider this. What people say. Works great and prevents everything in the garage being coated with dryer lint. The 3-layer filtration system, comprising a water filter, iron mesh, and high-temperature resistant lint filter, effectively captures lint and reduces humidity in the room. Cleaning is a breeze. The filters are detachable and reusable, which is both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Number 1. Vent Lint Trap, Indoor Lint Trap Filter. Tired of lint and dust polluting your home? This indoor vent filter captures lint and dust, creating a much healthier environment. It utilizes a patented fine stainless steel screen and water drawer system. Forget about replacements. The fine stainless steel screen of this kit is designed to last as long as the entire system. You will never need to worry about finding replacements for it. This dryer venting kit offers an additional benefit. It recycles heat from your dryer. This not only reduces environmental impact but also helps you save money on your utility bills. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply rotate the knob, scrape the lint off the back of the filter, and the lint drops into the water drawer. Empty the drawer and add fresh water. Proudly manufactured in the United States of America, this clothes dryer vent kit ensures long-lasting quality. Investing in it means investing in a reliable and durable product. What we like. This product features a long-lasting stainless steel screen, eliminating the need for replacements. It also helps save energy by recycling heat. Cleaning is made simple with its easy-to-use system. If you like a durable and energy-saving solution, you should consider this. What people say. It has a screen filter that has a handle to turn to remove the lint effectively without the constant need to replace any filters. The water section that catches the remainder of the lint is a pull-out drawer at the bottom that can easily be refilled every week and slides back into the unit without any hassle. This dryer vent trap works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.